Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add yes or no options to your Google Sheet. Let's say in cell D2, and eventually this entire column, we want a simple menu where we can choose yes or no with just one click. No more typing yes. No more typing no. Let's set it up. Method 1. Using the preset dropdown, fastest way. Click into cell D2. Now type the @ symbol. Scroll down to dropdowns. You'll see a preset option for yes/no. Click it. You'll immediately see the dropdown appear in D2. Now we want this applied to the entire column, not just one cell. Over on the right side, find Apply to Range. Change it from D2 to D2:D. Use this range. I'll include it in the description below. Click Done. Now your entire column D has a clickable yes/no drop-down. You can select yes, no, quick, clean. No typing required. Method 2. Using checkboxes with custom yes/no values. There's another way to do this, and it's pretty interesting. Instead of a drop-down, we can use checkboxes. Select your range, for example, D2:D. Go to Insert Checkbox. Now here's the important part. By default, checkboxes return true when checked, false when unchecked. But we can change that. Right-click one of the checkbox cells. Scroll down to View More Cell Actions, Data Validation. On the right side panel, make sure the criteria is set to checkbox. Now select. Use custom cell values. For example, checked value, yes. Unchecked value, no. Click Done. Now when the box is checked, the value inside the cell is yes. When it's unchecked, the value is no. You can copy and paste this formatting down the column if needed. The cell shows a checkbox, but the stored value is yes or no. That can be really useful for formulas, filters, or dashboards. No formulas needed for either method in this video, but if you're using these yes/no values inside formulas later, this setup works perfectly. If you like this and want more interesting and practical ways to use Google Sheets, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I've got a lot more coming. Drop your questions in the comments. I might turn them into a future video. And one of these videos on your screen right now might just be your next Google Sheets breakthrough.